Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with what we believe is the best half-gallon water bottle with a straw available. If you've been struggling to meet your daily water intake goals, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stay tuned as we explore the Aquafit half-gallon water bottle with time marker. Let's kick things off by introducing you to the star of today's show, the Aquafit half-gallon water bottle with time marker. It's not your ordinary water bottle. It's designed to help you stay on top of your hydration game like never before. This impressive water bottle boasts a whopping 64-ounce capacity, which is half a gallon, making it perfect for those of us who find it challenging to keep refilling our bottles throughout the day. But that's just the beginning. What sets this water bottle apart from the rest? Well, it's all about the features. Let's dive into what makes this bottle stand out. First off, take a look at these time markers on the side of the bottle. They're clear and easy to read, helping you track your water intake throughout the day. No more guesswork. You'll know exactly how much you've had to drink. But that's not all. This water bottle comes with not one, but two interchangeable lids. One has a convenient silicone straw for easy sipping, while the other is designed for those who prefer to gulp it down. You can switch between the two based on your preference and activity. The wide mouth and sturdy handle make refilling a breeze, and it's incredibly comfortable to carry around, even when it's full. Plus, it's made of 100% BPA-Free plastic, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Now, let's talk about the user experience. We've been putting this bottle to the test, and here's what we found. Sipping from this bottle is a breeze, thanks to the straw lid. It's leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about any unexpected spills, making it perfect for workouts, hikes, or even just daily use. And filling it up is quick and easy, thanks to that wide mouth. You won't have to struggle with small openings that make you spill half the water on your shirt. In conclusion, the Aquafit half-gallon water bottle with time marker is a game-changer for those looking to stay hydrated consistently. With its time markers, interchangeable lids, and durable construction, it's a top contender in the world of hydration. So, if you're tired of constantly refilling your water bottle, forgetting to drink enough water, or simply looking for a convenient and stylish way to stay hydrated, we highly recommend giving this bottle a try. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this water bottle, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay hydrated.